First, open google.com and then search XAMPP download. Then open the first link. Download the latest version. After clicking, the download will start. It will take some time to download. After download is complete, open the downloaded file and run it. Click Yes to continue. Select Apache, MySQL, PHP and PHPMyadmin and then click Next. Click Next, and if error comes, then change the directory name and click Next. After installation is over, click Finish. Then Control Panel will open up. Click on Start in front of Apache and MySQL. It should show green, which means both have successfully started. Then click Admin button in front of MySQL to open PHPMyadmin. Then click Import button to import the database, and then click on the Choose File button and then open that directory where project is located. Then open a database file which has extension SQL. Then click the Go button. If any error comes for database, copy the name of database. Click on Database button. Then paste the name of database and click Create. Then again go to Import button and choose SQL File and click Import. Then click the Go button. All the tables will be imported into that database. This finishes the installation and importing database step. In case you wish to run XAMPP, you can go to Start menu and then search for XAMPP to run. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos and projects.